Hi, Annissa here with Firehouse Education and this week's Ask Annissa video column. And this week, our question comes in via email and it came in from Scott. And Scott asks, when estimating a structure cleaning job, how do you know you aren't missing anything? Well, I will tell you, Scott, that missing things on structure cleaning was a really big area in our company years ago that I found a lot of issues. And what was happening was our crew was going out and doing all this cleaning, and then our estimator who was going in and doing the estimation for that didn't realize that this had been cleaned or that needed heavy clean or this was an inside-outside clean when it comes to cabinetry and things like that. So what's really important that I have found that works really, really great is we have structure clean checklists, and we've made them out by the room. So for instance, like a living room, a kitchen, an office, a bathroom, bedroom, a closet. And then what we did was we took every possible thing that you would need in that area to be able to clean, depending on the type of structure that you're working with. And we made a checklist. So what happened was I would send those out with my cleaning crew. Yep, not an estimator, but my cleaning crew. And the cleaning crew that was cleaning the room, they would clean the room and then walk through when that room was done with that checklist and mark down everything that needed to go back to the estimator to properly bill what was done in that room. For instance, lineal foot, square foot measurements, were there lights, was there a ceiling fan with lights, were the lights heavy detail, was there trim, doors, hardware, windows, window sills, all that sort of thing. So having a good system in place where you have checklists on each and every room is really, really important. Bathrooms and kitchens were probably two of the biggest areas that we were losing money before we started doing this. So, for instance, a kitchen can have so many variables. You can have ceiling light, fans with lights. You can have a skylight. You could have tile. You could have an island or laminate countertop or granite countertop, or maybe it was a heavy clean in the kitchen, or it was a light clean, and maybe you only clean the exterior parts of the cabinetry, not the interior parts. So it's really important to have a checklist that your crew can take out with them, and when they're done cleaning, they can then go back through that room and easily mark what they cleaned. The reason I think it's important to have the cleaners do that, not an estimator, is because they're the ones doing the cleaning. So they know exactly what they had to do in that room. And the person that does my checklist in the room is the person who cleaned that room. Then those checklists are gathered up and brought back to the estimator in the office. You can either do that physically, or you can snap pictures with your cell phone, or you can even digitize a checklist and have it on an iPad or on a Google Drive so that it can then be automatically uploaded and sent back to your estimator. But that is definitely key in making sure that you are not missing steps when you do structure cleaning. All right. Well, Scott, I hope that answered your question. If you want to know more about these checklists and these procedures that we do on the structure clean, don't hesitate to contact me, Annissa at firehouseeducation.com, and I'd be happy to discuss that with you. If you have a question for me, you know what to do. Send me an email. Be sure you are subscribed to rnrmagonline.com's e-newsletter so that you get these videos and lots of other goodies every Friday in your email inbox. Well, on that note, please be sure and give me a thumbs up on this video if you're watching it on my YouTube channel, and let me know any other videos you would like me to do for you. And I will see you on next week's Ask Annissa video column.